everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make a frog puppet with your hands. This will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Alright, as you just saw right there, I just made a frog puppet with my hands. It's actually really easy to do, and you could probably make it even better than I can once you've practiced quite a bit, okay? Very simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to start off with your right hand, and we're going to do the same thing on both hands, but start off with one hand. Take your thumb and your index finger like this and just bring them together like that, like you're pinching something, okay? Once you brought those two fingers together, take your middle finger and curl it like that, okay? So this is the mouth right here, and this is the eyelid, the eyebrow right here, like the eye area. You're gonna do the same thing with your other hand. Take your thumb and index finger, make a pinch like that, curl your middle finger on top, just like that, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring them together like this, but with our ring fingers, we're gonna stick our ring finger through the opposite eyeball right there. Our ring fingers are gonna form the eyeball. So pinch, curl your middle finger on top, just like that. My right ring finger goes through the left curled middle finger. My left ring finger goes through the right curled middle finger. It's gonna look like that, okay? We have our pinkies at the back, as you can see right here. Just rest them, get them out of the way. Okay, now I'm going to make it look good. Just give me a moment here. You bring your pinching fingers together like that. And what we have here, hide that pinky at the back. What we have here is a frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Just like that. Very simple and easy to do. Now, like I said, hide your pinky fingers just like that. I'm trying to get it. There we go, facing the camera. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Really easy to do. It does take some practice, like I said. But once you get it, and you got to get your middle fingers curled there nicely, that's it. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. That's how to make a frog puppet ribbit with your hands. A simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.